Row, row,
Double.
row your boat gently down the stream. We better get into college with that rowing, okay?
Welcome to Dance Fitsugar. My name is Luis, and today we have a 10-minute abs to the beat workout for you guys. So with me, I have two very special guests. Let's welcome the beautiful Nebraska.
Let's get those abs burning, baby.
Yes, and I thought we had Derrick Barry in the house with us today, but it looks like we have our favorite housewife.
I'm here to own it, baby.
Yes! All right, y'all ready to get this ab workout in?
Let's do it.
She's ready. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, we're gonna get this thing started, so here's the deal. You're gonna drop it down low. We're ready.
Quick track.
Oh my God.
You're gonna punch it out. You crunch, 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 up,
Oh.
crunch, crunch. Yes. Here we go. Double time. Go. Rock. Hey.
Fly. B. Punch.
Oh my gosh. Keep it up. Let's go. Double low. We crunch that core. Remember, we're firing up the core. Come on. Hey. Hey. All right. We slow it down. You roll it out. Go. 3, 2, 1. Wipe. Ha. 3, 2, 1. Double time. Let's go. Roll it and wipe. Hey. There we go. Come on. Yee-hee.
For all the hungry bellies.
Full torso action right here. Come on. Hey. From the top we punch. We punch. 3, 2, 1. Hey. How we doing? Come on. Look at those
More
strong
flies in the air.
I'm feeling it.
Hey. 2 more. Come on. Get low. 1 more. You roll. Come on. Roll. And wipe. Hey. And wipe. Yes. Couple more. Let's go. All right, we're gonna throw in 1 more move. It's the rolling clap. So slow, roll it, go. Roll and clap. Use that core to get down and up. Down and up. Here we go. Double time. We
Okay.
roll.
That was,
Crunch.
that was double time.
March it out.
Oh my gosh, we have full ninjas up in here. Come on. Hey, hey. From the
Shoelaces are coming untied. You're working.
Oh no! We punch it from the top. Punch! Hey! Hey! Yes!
Oh my gosh.
Roll it out. Let's go. Roll. Wipe. Ha! Roll.
Flick those haters.
Say bye to the haters. Come on.
Bye, hater.
Bye.
You could never.
Rolling clap. Rolling clap. Go! Oh my goodness.
Catch those bees and make that honey, honey.
I can't handle you.
I'm getting that extra ab workout from the laughs right now. Come on, let's go. Hey, 4, 3, 2, let it go. All right, y'all. This one, we're gonna focus on those obliques, yes? So, we're gonna start nice and slow. You're just gonna lean it over. Single, single, double. Here we go. Lean. 1, 1, double, hit, and hit. Again. 1, double, hey, a little faster. Here we go.
No, I like this case.
Yeah, oh, no, we're going double. Go, 1, double. Sorry, Nebraska. Hey, hey,
Almost
hey.
digging.
Yeah, almost digging,
Digging
almost.
your own grave, please, with this choreo.
Except you're gonna crawl out because you're a survivor. Come on. Ooh, ooh, hey, hey.
Oh, my eyebrows survived.
Let's go. Feel those obliques, come on. All about that core. Hey, hey. All right, new move. We're taking it slow. You're gonna pull it down. We pull. 1, double. Still those obliques, crunch it. Let's go. 1, double. Double time just for Nebraska. Let's go. 1, double. Hey, hey. Nice and strong. Ooh. Perfect. From the top, we lean. Go. 1, double. Hey. All right, let's get it. Come on. Nice and strong. Ooh. To the side, big pull, big pull. 1, double. Hey, hey. How we doing? How we doing?
Well, my feet are
so
not
good,
tapping at the right
Luis.
time.
Let's go. One more time. Lean it over. Just lean. I believe in y'all. I believe in y'all. I think we got this. Come on. It's all about keeping it moving. It's all about keeping it moving. All right, new move. We're gonna crunch that knee. Drive. 1, double. It's like a little march right here. Again, slow. March, march, double. Here we go. Double time. Let's rock. Go. 1, double. Hit, hit, ha. Feel that crunch? Down, down. Crunch it.
Oh, Lord.
Yes, come on. From from the top. Big lean, go. 1. Hey, rock it out. Woohoo!
I'm doing my best, but it's looking like my worst.
I believe in us. We pull, go. 1, double. Hey, little more. Go, rock. March it out. We march, go. 1, double, hit.
Oh my God, how has it not been?
This is a modification.
This feels like it's been an hour.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
Modify, do what you need. Just keep that body moving. Come on.
Oh, I feel the abs. I feel them already.
Amen. That's it. Mission accomplished. Come on. Go. From the top. One more time. Just lean.
Row
Double.
your boat gently down the stream.
Let it go. Okay.
We better get into college with that rowing. Okay.
Oh my God.
That's what I know.
All right, this is our last one, so let's give it everything we've got. Let's fire up that core one last time, all right? Y'all ready?
Ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Come on.
Definitely ready for the last one.
All right, here we go. You're gonna start with a little bounce. Just bounce. Nice and cute, throw those shoulders in. We're just rocking it side to side. We start here, and then we're gonna take it up a little faster. So you're gonna go into singles. Here we go. Singles, 1 and 1. Hey. All right. Now here's the deal. We're gonna take it all around the world. You're just gonna keep kicking that booty. Take it all around. Let's go. Hey. That's it. Come on. All right. New move. We step it out. Go. Step. Float. Step. Feel that crunch. Drive that knee. Up. All right. Double time. Pick it up. Let's go. Step. Hey. That's it. Come on. Fire up that core. Last one.
Throw the frisbee.
Throw the frisbee. Let's go. Yee. Kick that booty. Kick. Take it all around. Go. Yes.
Number 1, baby.
We're partying. Step and throw. Step it out. Let's go. Hey. Perfect. Woo. Let's go. All right. We're gonna throw in one more move. We're gonna drop it low. You're gonna give me 2 little bounces. Here we go. We drop it low, bounce it out. Just drop, bounce, hit. Squeeze that core up. Get low. Nice and strong. That's that tempo right here. Use those arms, use those legs. Working that whole body. Come on. Little more. Let's go. Hey. Beautiful. How we doing? We're doing good right here, right? Come on. All right, we're gonna take it from the top. Here we go. Kick that booty. Go. Ha. Now you can let those arms go. You can do whatever you want. Take them all around. Go. Yes. Step and throw. We throw it out. Let's go. Step. Hey. Oh, let it all go for this last bit. Work.
You're doing great, Derrick.
Thank you, finally.
Drop it down, bounce it, we bounce, hey, bounce, hey, bounce. That's it,
It doesn't matter what they say.
It does not matter. Let's get it.
Doesn't matter what they say in the comments.
All right, one more time. Kick that booty, let's go. We rock. Oh, because we're winners, baby. Let's get it, come on.
Now I'm in it.
Take it all around, all around. Let's go. Oh. Step and throw. We throw it out. Go step. Hey, last one. So bring all that energy into it. Go. Keep it up. Hey. Woo. Hey. All the way. Drop it low. Bounce. Good. Couple more. Let's go. Nice.
Don't give up.
Kick that booty, don't give up. Home stretch. Last time around the world, take it out. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Come on. Hey. Just bounce it out, bounce it, go. Bounce. Hey, bounce. And let it all go. Woo, that is it. That is your 10-minute abs to the beat workout. Thank you so much for joining us. And of course, thank you to our beautiful guests. We got Nebraska, and Derrick Barry, AKA our housewife of the Slay. How we feeling? How we feeling?
Ooh, burning.
Yeah,
Burning.
I feel it. I think I have like a 10 pack.
Yes,
one for each
boom,
minute.
boom, boom.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below. And if you want to work out with me some more, check out my videos on Dance Fitsugar. We'll see you guys next time.